Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Before changing a Samsung password, confirm your device is unlocked and accessible. You need your current password and the device unlocked before you start. Open Settings and confirm your Samsung account is signed in so changes sync properly. Ensure two-factor authentication is available in case recovery is required. Decide on a secure new password with at least 6 characters and mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. Have a backup authentication method ready, like a trusted phone number or alternate email address. To change your screen lock password, open Settings and tap Lock Screen. Next, tap Screen Lock Type and authenticate with your current screen password when prompted. Choose password as the locking method if you prefer a text password over PIN or pattern. Enter your new password with at least 6 characters and include letters, numbers, and symbols for strength. Confirm the new password by typing it again exactly as entered. Finally, test the new password by locking and unlocking the device immediately after changing it. To change your Samsung account password, open Settings and tap Accounts and Backup. Tap Samsung Account and then Manage Account to access security settings. Authenticate with your current Samsung account password or use two-factor authentication if prompted. Under Security, tap Change Password and type your current password again when requested. Enter a new secure password, at least 6 characters long, then confirm it exactly the same. Save the changes and sign back in on any other devices where your Samsung account is used.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.